Some football now. After extending their winless run to 6 games in World Cup qualifying, the Reggae Boyz players and coach have expressed optimism about the future based on their performance in their 1-all draw with El Salvador at the National Stadium on Thursday. Simon Preston was there.
Reggae Boyz interim head coach Paul Hall was full of praise for his troops and was pleased with their level of commitment during their 1-all stalemate with El Salvador. Hall says the players held up their hands for selection to be part of the pool for the CONCACAF Nations League in the summer.
They wanted to play that football match tonight, and you could see that they were rolling the ball, and they were rolling the ball. That's reggae ball right there, you know? That's what I call reggae ball. That's in my philosophy. I said to them, play reggae ball. And at half-time, I just said, go and do exactly the same thing, and you'll win the game. I'm just gutted for them that they didn't win it, because we deserve to win that.
Reggae Boyz captain Andre Blake was grateful for the support of the fans and feels it's only a matter of time before the Jamaicans start a winning run.
We miss them, and we really appreciate them being here tonight. Unfortunately, we weren't able to give them the win, but I think nonetheless, they were happy with the performance, and that's important. So now we just got to keep building, and the results will come eventually. So we just have to keep putting in good performance, and sooner than later, then it's going to start to go our way.
Adrian Mariappa is celebrating 10 years as a national player this year.
To be honest with you, it's gone so quick. I've loved every game. Win, lose or draw, it's an honour to put the jersey on, and I always, sometimes it's cost me, coming, with positions at my club and stuff, but I'll always come. It's something I love to do, and to be a part of this, is a great honour.
The Reggae Boyz have not won at home in the final round of World Cup qualifying since 2001. The Reggae Boyz will next be in action against Canada on Sunday in Toronto. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.